Hello kids, today we are going to see how to draw and color a helicopter. Before we draw, please subscribe my YouTube channel. Come, let's start. First draw an oval. Now draw two sets of parallel standing lines and then draw two parallel sleeping lines. Close the lines with curves on one end and on another end draw a set of slanted lines. Draw two sets of small parallel lines on both the legs of the helicopter. Draw two slanted lines from the back of the helicopter. Now draw a circle, and from that circle draw three triangles and alphabet V lines for the tail fan. Now draw a sleeping line on top of the helicopter and close it with curves. Now draw slanted lines and an oval. Draw two triangles on both the sides of an oval. Now draw two sets of parallel straight lines inside both the triangles. Now inside a big oval, draw standing and sleeping lines like L shape for front window. Draw a rectangle for the door. Now draw pilot and operating machine by using circle, lines and curves. Let's start coloring. Blue color. Green color. Sky blue color. Brown color. Pink color. Black color. That's it. See, it's very simple. If you like my video, please like, share and subscribe my YouTube channel. In my next video, we are going to see how to draw and color a dolphin. See you.